Hey guys, welcome back to RaveandJozzy's Cocktail Bar, and this is Bluey The Budgie. You'll see me add ice into my shaker, 1 part of vodka, 1 part of Blue Curaçao, 1 part of Melon Liqueur, half a part of Hennessy. Let's shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Might give it extra shakes. Let's grab the garnish. Place lemon on the outside of my old fashioned or rocks glass. Then some yellow sugar. Put a round ice cube in. Then I'll pour in my mix and top it at the same time with some lemon lime soda just to look cool. And for garnish, I'll cut out the middle of a lemon and place a lime in. Good little drink. That's for the feather, because they had green and yellow feathers. Can you see me? Stir it up, place it gently on top, and drink it all down. This drink was just inspired me by my nan. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one from RaveandJozzy's Cocktail Bar. Any other drinks, just go and see the playlist. Thanks, guys.